Hello everybody, this is Ed. Appreciate you checking out this video. For the past almost 6 months now, been very sporadic as far as posting videos to this channel. The reason for that is I got different responsibilities at my day job, which didn't give me a lot of opportunity to head out and explore. But I have since streamlined all that, so I'm going to start getting back on a normal schedule and start posting to this channel other different adventures that I have in this beautiful country. So back to this video, I am checking out downtown Houston, Texas. I was here on business, again, back to the different responsibilities of my day job. I was here on business and been to Houston, Texas a good bit, but I was always told to avoid downtown. And this time I had the opportunity to check it out, and it's not a bad downtown. I mean, it's clean. Not many people on the street though. You would think that there would be a lot of people walking. Didn't see that. Maybe I did this on the wrong part of the day. Beautiful city. Like the murals. Clean city. Here downtown, it was really nice. It's better than I expected. Stayed here for a couple of days for work purposes and really enjoyed my time here. So the population as of 2022 is 2.3 million people in Houston, with a metro of 7.1 million. Now, it's number 4 as far as the biggest cities, but it's number 5 as far as metro because Dallas-Fort Worth has about 8 million, around 8 million. So, but it's growing. It's growing a lot. The metro is growing a lot down here in Houston, which means a whole lot of traffic. And the Katy video that I did, it took almost an hour to go 30 miles to go check that place out. And you know, right when I got done with that filming, I was right in 5 o'clock traffic. So it almost took me 2 hours. I would say about an hour and a half to get back to my hotel in downtown Houston. And what's hilarious about it is that I missed my exit. So that took another 20 to 30 minutes to get back around, to get back to the proper exit. So traffic is a nightmare down here. And I'm glad I'm not involved in that on a daily basis. But we'll be seeing Houston a lot more because of my day job. And I could say downtown looks great. So that's what we're focusing on today, checking out the downtown. There is going to be a lot of cuts as far as when I stop at the stoplight. Instead of sitting there at a red light, I went ahead and cut that out the film. So you're going to see a lot of cuts going through those lights. But all in all, really enjoyed my time in downtown Houston. So I really appreciate y'all checking out this video. If you're interested in this content, please like and subscribe. And if you got any suggestions or comments about this area, please leave it in the comments.